Hello, hi, namaskar. Good morning, all of you. As we know that Department of Fisheries, Government of India has released fishery statistics recently of 296 pages. It is the video to minimize those 296 pages in 3 pages. I am here to discuss the important points of Handbook of Fishery Statistics 2023. So let's get started. Here it is the Handbook of Fisheries Statistics 2023. First of all, the data is released by Department of Fisheries, Government of India. Minister of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, Government of India is Sri Purushottam Rupala. 16th edition of Handbook on Fisheries Statistics 2023. So now India is the third largest fish and aquaculture producing country. 16% of total inland fish production and 5% global marine fish production. Fish production in India is 175.45 lakh tons. From that, inland is 131.13 lakh tons and marine sectors 44.32 lakh tons, total 175.45 lakh tons. As we know, the three major fish producing states in our India and highest deposition of fish catch in India are Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Karnataka. In export, India is in third place and it is in top 5 country after China and Indonesia. 1.1% contribution of fishery sector in Indian economy and 6.72% contribution in agriculture. Country exported 1.73 million tons of seafood worth US dollar 8.09 billion. Then let's discuss about some general points. 17 lakh 35,286 tons of fisheries export valued at 63,969.14 crore. India contribution to world fish production is similar to 8.92%. It is not exactly, it is up to means average the value has taken 8.92%. Before it was 8 point something, now it is 8.92% according to recent data. Total landing centers 1457 major fishing harbors and 63 minor fishing harbors. 1,66,052 KCC Kisan credit cards for fishers. Average annual fish production growth rate is equal to 7.98%. State rank in inland production is Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal and Uttar Pradesh. And now state ranks in marine fish production is Karnataka, Gujarat, Kerala. Indian mackerel landing is more than Indian oil sardine. Fish seed production is 35,89,845.82. Top 6 fish deposition states in our country: Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Karnataka, Odisha, Kerala and Uttar Pradesh. Top 3 fish consuming states and UTs are Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep and Tripura. Most exported item from India is frozen shrimp. Then fisheries resource. Coastal length is 8118 km. To remember this, you can use the code that 8118 km total coastal length in India. Landing center are 1457. Fishing villages 3461. FFPO, the full form is Fish Farmer Producer Organization, and CBBO, Cluster Based Business Organization. Cage culture demonstration of sea bass by NFDP. Cage culture demonstration of Indian Pampano by ICAR CMFRI, Central Marine Fishery Resource Institution. Then NFDP received Indian Agri-Business Award in 2022. So these are all about the short notes of the 296 pages. You can refer it for any competitive fishery examination and just go through it, and the notes are available. So all the best. Thank you.